Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the motion smoothness settings on your Samsung device running One UI 6. So let's dive right in. Open the Settings application on your Samsung device and look for the display option in the drop-down menu and then click on it. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, scroll down to the option, Motion Smoothness, and click on it. Clicking on the Motion Smoothness option will open a new page where you will be visually shown how it looks when the option is set to standard and how it is when it is set to adaptive. You can also see an explanation if you select the adaptive option, which allows you to get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting the screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. But also the option that we are currently on, which is the standard that enables you, if you activate it, to have a longer battery life with a screen refresh rate of 60 Hz. It is up to you to decide which of these two options you want, but we will still choose the adaptive option to see how it is with refreshing the screen up to 120 Hz and click on it. Then we will click on the Apply option in the lower part of the screen. Your screen will adjust and you'll immediately notice the difference, especially when scrolling or swiping through apps. And that's it. Now you know how to change the motion smoothness settings on your Samsung device with One UI 6. Whether you want ultra-smooth animations or a little extra battery life, you can easily adjust this setting to suit your needs. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your devices. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.